Sit down, Julie.
No, we're restarting.
That last one was Mason. Was that right? That's Macy. That's Robbie. What the hell was that? You got to do that again. That was awful. You sound so it's someone with a cold. All right, pass. Get your voice cleared out so I can figure it out. One more time. That's Ariana. That's Zelenia.
Hey, baby.
I don't know who that is, but they aren't in my class. Oh. Do that again. Geraldine?
Okay, go back.
No? All right.
Hi, Cinca.
That's Julie again. I already got her.
You started. Hey, Cinca.
You know, I need to have a roster in front of me so I know. Pass.
Hi, Cinca.
Wow, I feel like I'm failing miserably. Junior or senior? I'm sorry, junior or sophomore?
Sophomore.
Say it again.
Hi, Cinca.
I feel like you guys are disguising your voices. Is that Mia? No.
Hi, Cinca.
Oh, that's a phone. Somebody answer the phone. I'm going to predict who answered it.
Somebody else answered. Hi, Cinca.
I feel like I have the same person saying it over and over again. Sophomore, junior.
Sophomore.
How many girls do I have that are sophomore? I have no idea.
Okay, pass.
I think
That was not a legit voice. There's no way.
Come on.
I still don't think that's legit. Can we say something else besides hello, Sanka?
Oh. Peter picked a pepper pickle.
No idea.
Bro, you should know who that is.
I think.
That's Robbie again, isn't it? It's not? This is painful.
Who? No.
I feel like as you guys get towards the end, you disguise your voices more.
Well, we're still going.
So how long does this go on for? Until I guess everybody? Because
Yeah.
we're going to be here for a long time.
All right, so go ahead.
I hear something about pants. That's Joe Ryan. You can sit down. Was that right?
Not behind you, no. He's behind.
No, but I heard the person talking was Joe Ryan. So you got to sit down.
Well, that will be down. Hi, Cinca.
I can't believe I can't recognize some of these voices.
Bro, you see her every day.
Yeah, no kidding. I see my wife every day too, but I probably wouldn't know her voice either.
Okay.
Say something else. Oh, that's Christiana. Am I right?
Yes.
Wait, so her silence means
It took a little while. I had to register.
Hey, Cinca.
Bro.
That's embarrassing.
Sophomore, junior.
I'm a sophomore. Cinca, you're about to piss me off.
My nemesis. Hi, Brooke.
Hi. Hey, Cinca.
Say it again.
Hey, Cinca. Cinca, come on. There's no way it took us that long.
Madison didn't come in today, did she?
No.
Okay, good. So it's not
I
her.
speak to him every day. That's the sad part. You bullied her this morning.
Correct.
I bullied her this morning.
Yeah.
There's
She's
Oh
not
my
good at something.
God.
Because she wasn't good at something.
Cinco, no.
Don't look. This is sad.
I bullied her because she wasn't good at something.
I literally do everything for you.
Junior or sophomore?
Sophomore.
Who does everything for me that's a sophomore?
I'm not
That is
appreciated. I'm not appreciated. It's okay.
My production manager?
You're so
You
annoying.
sound different when I'm not looking at you, which is the whole point of the game, I think, right? How many are left?
Two.
2. Okay, I got this.
How do you feel about the work I do outside?
How do you feel about the work I do outside? That sounds like Robbie.
Yeah.
Is it Robbie?
Yeah.
But I already guessed him.
Okay, last one, last one.
I Cinco.
Oh, that's Jack.
Yeah, what you called me Robbie last time.
Cinco,
Well.
how did it take you that long to guess who I was? That's so.
I don't know.
You said you were-
Probably because I've spent so much time trying to forget your
You
voice.
said you got me